Do you want to generate AI images in your .NET application and don't know how? Well, this video is for you. And also we're going to cover how to add some great prompt templates for the user, exactly like ChatGPT application. So users can create better images with your app. Let's see the demo. Okay, this is our final project. I'm going to say a painter dog, and I want it to be minimalist. And this is the final result. Amazing. Okay, here I created a simple Windows Form application using C#. First of all, we need to install some packages to get it started. So I'm going to open a new developer PowerShell. We need these packages. Okay, I'm going to paste them here. The first one is AI.openai, so you can interact with OpenAI features. And the second and third one are for configurations and user secrets. User secrets are a way to save our important information like API keys in a safe way. Also, we can use env files, or if we are using Azure, we can use Azure environment variables. But in this video, we're going to use user secrets. Let's install them. You see that I get an error because we should navigate to the project directory. My project name is image generator AI, so I'm going to say cd image generator AI. And let's install them again. And now we need to add our user secrets. First, we need to say .NET user-secrets init, and then I'm going to set my OpenAI key to this one and model name to DALL-E3. First of all, you can get the OpenAI key from platform.openai.com, and I'm going DALL-E3 model here because other models need a verification for the organization so you can get started with them, but DALL-E3 doesn't need them. But using them is as same as DALL-E3. When you watch this video, you know how to use them as well. Let's click enter. It's done. Let's create our UI. So I'm going to add a picture box. I add it here. And let's change the size mode to the stretch image, so it's going to show our images in a fit way. I'm going to change the name to image picture box, and we just simply add a text box here. I set the name to prompt input. I always write the in capital letter, I don't know why. And let's have a button, or a button, actually, for this name of send btn. The text is going to be sent. Okay, here we go. Let's start coding. First of all, I need to load my user secrets. So I'm going to say configuration root with the name of configuration. I'm going to build it, so I'm going to say new configuration builder that add user secrets, which class form1 dot build. Come on. Why? Let's say it again. Add user secrets form1. It's not loading it. Let's manually add the using dot user secrets. I'm pretty sure we have installed that. I just rewrite that and it's working. I don't know, maybe I had a typo issue. But we created a new configuration builder, add the user secrets for form1 and build that. Now let's get our OpenAI key. I'm going to say configuration, name of OpenAI key, and the second one is my model name, which is configuration dot model name. Okay, so first of all, let's get the user prompt. I'm going to say user prompt is prompt input dot text if a string that is null or empty user prompt. I'm going to return and say message box that show error. No need for icons and these things. It's not a priority in this video. Now I'm going to say image client is from OpenAI.images. The name is image client equals a new image client. Well, let's see what does it want. It is a model name I pass the model name and my OpenAI key. That's all. Now let's create our image. I'm going to say await image client that generates image async. You know, it needs a prompt from me. I get user prompt, and I can pass some options to it, which is very great for us. As you can see, it gets a size. I'm going to say image generation option. No, sorry. What is it? Generated image size. Generate image size. Let's go for 512, 512. I can pass in a style, which is generated image. The style, I'm going to say natural. It has also some configurations as well, which I'm not going to use them. So what is the result of that? It returns a generated image results. I'm going to say generated image equals this one. Now I'm going to say image picture box. Okay. Oh, I had a typo in that. That's why it doesn't show me. That's image location equals generated image. That image URI. This is the URI of the image, which is saved in the OpenAI website. So I'm going to say image URI dot to string, and just to make a little more user friendly, here I'm going to say send btn.text is loading, so we know it's loading. And here I'm going to say send again. And I say prompt input.text equals an empty string. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's run our project. Oops, we have an error. The error because of this. We cannot say async task in Windows Form when we have an event function. It must be async void. Let's rerun the project. Okay, I say muscular man. Let's send it. Oops, we got an error. It says I do not support this size. We need 1024. Okay, or other sizes actually. Okay, I'm going to say 10 size dot 1024. I'm going to send the same prompt, a muscular man. Okay, my request blocked by the content filters. I cannot create a muscular man. Okay, let's go for another example. It was a sensitive one. A dog playing. Come on, Samuels, man. A muscular man is not sensitive. Here we go. This is my image. It's a good image. Of course, we can play with the prompts to make it better. But what if we add some prompt templates, as we saw in the demo, so users can easily create what they want? Let's get to that. So here, I create a new folder named DTOs, and I'm going to create a DTO for myself. The name is image template DTO. It's a public one. I have a string for name and a string for prompt. It's very interesting. This part of the video is really interesting for me. Okay, I get back to the image form. Here I have private read-only lists of image templates, and let's add the usings. Okay, semicolon here. And here, I want to initialize the image templates. So we need some base prompts for each one and some sample data. Of course, you can read it from the database, but you're not going to get to the database in this video. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create some samples and mock data here to use. Here we go. Here we go. This is my image templates. This is my prompt actually to ChatGPT, and this is the result it is giving me. I just copy it, paste it here. Okay, very good. You see that there are 5 image templates here. So now I need to create some buttons on the UI so I can show the data there. Let's go here. I'm going to make this a little bigger, maybe more than a little. Oops, I double clicked. And let's move these guys here. I'm going to add a little flow layout panel. It's like a container for me. I want the buttons to be inside that. So I'm going to change its name so we can easily access it in the code. I'm going to say buttons container flow. Okay, watch here. Here I say for each var template in image templates, I'm going to create a button. Button is a new button. I'm a little British today. Just kidding. The name is going to be template.name underline button, and the text is going to be template.name. Actually, we need some sizes, fonts, and visualization. I just copied them, and it's here. You can see I've added a font, a size, and some margin to make them look better. And we need a click event for them, which we see why later. I just copy this send between click and change it to template btn click. Here we go. Here I say button.click, call this method. And finally, I'm going to say buttons container flow.controls.add this button. Is it going to work? No. Why? Because they are before the initialized component. It's not going to work. We're going to say null exception. I'm going to put it here, and now they're going to work. Let's see what we did. Amazing. These are our buttons here. Let's stop it. So when we create on the button, we need its text. Okay, I'm going to load it. Selected button equals sender as button. So now we have the selected button, the clicked button. Okay, I'm going to say a string name is selected button.text. And now I'm going to load the image template. Image template. Template is image templates that first, that's a.name equals our clicked name. So now we need to save the base prompt. Let's just get here. I say private string base prompt is null. Let's make it nullable. And here I say base prompt equals template dot prompt. We know what is the base prompt of that template. And when the user is generating the image, we just modify the prompt. I say user prompt equals base prompt. It may be null, it may not be null. And I say user prompt. Amazing. We just loaded the base prompt and we are making a new prompt for the user. So the image is going to be better as the user wants. Let's check out the application. I want an abstract art. Let's say a dog playing. As same as the first of the video. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's an abstract art. It's an abstract art and very amazing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed that. We try to develop things fast so you can save your time. Please share your opinions in the comments below. See you in the next videos.